judgment. He's a tremendous friend, a tremendous world leader, a tremendous friend of Israel and the Jewish people. And we will do what we have to do, and we are doing it. We are committed to destroying the nuclear threat, the threat of a nuclear annihilation against Israel. We're able to do it. And we, of course, will make our own determination. But I have to say that the partnership with the United States, the partnership with President Trump, with whom I speak to almost every day, is incredible. I think his resolve, his determination, and his clarity when he says Iran cannot have a nuclear weapon. And for that to take place, Iran cannot enrich uranium. It's as simple as that. He gave them the chance to do it through negotiations. They strung him along. You don't string along Donald Trump. He knows the game. And I think that we're both committed to making sure that Iran will not have a nuclear weapon. And they won't. They're targeting civilians because they're a criminal regime. They're the arch terrorists of the world. They want to have nuclear terrorism, which will put the entire world under nuclear blackmail, and they would use these weapons. That's what the Ayatollah Khamenei says that he would do. He would use these weapons to wipe Israel off the map. Well, he's not going to. We're not going to let him. And we're in the process of achieving a tremendous victory. And our victory is aimed at those two goals. People ask me, are we targeting the downfall of the regime? That may be a result, but it's up to the Iranian people to rise for their freedom. Freedom is never cheap. It's never free. Freedom requires these subjugated people to rise up, and it's up to them. But we may create conditions that will help them do it. Our goal is twofold: nuclear, ballistic missile. We're going to remove that. We are in the process of completing the removing this threat. אני הנחיתי שאף אחד אינו חסין. אני מעדיף לא לעסוק בכותרות, לתת למעשים לדבר. אני חושב שבמלחמה צריך לברור את המילים בקפידה ואת המעשים בדייקנות. זה מה שאני מבקש, לא רק מעצמי, אלא גם מהשרים שלי, מכולנו. להעמיד בדיבורים, להרבות במעשים. חיילי צה"ל בעזה ובכל מקום, פשוט עם ישראל כאן מתגלה